I'm Sehi. Today we have an exciting day trip planned in Gapyeong, a charming county in Gangwondo, Korea. Gapyeong is renowned for its natural landscape. You can find forests, rivers, and mountains there. It's a popular getaway spot both for locals and tourists. It offers a serene escape from the bustling city life. Today we are going to visit the beautiful Gapyeong Begonia Bird Park as well as 9Block. It's a day trip plan for those who love gardens and flowers but also will explore more of the creative and artistic side. It's a 15-minute car ride between the two places, and we are going to start off our day from the Gapyeong Begonia Bird Park.
Morning plan, Gapyeong Begonia 세종원. Here we are at the entrance where you can buy the tickets. It's 3만 won if you buy on spot, but then if you buy online, it's just around 18,000 won. There are a lot of 먹이체험 where you can feed the animals. Our first stop is this European-styled front yard garden. Look at the lush greenery.
독소리? 우와, 되게 크다. 맛있어?
맛있어? 알파.
맛있어? 너무 많은 것 같아. 나 무서워.
괜찮아.
무슨 소리야? 무슨 소리야?
In the mystery garden, we got to feed some alpacas, rabbits, and goats. It's such a fun and interactive experience. They also have a little waterfall. They give you a ladle and a cup to feed these animals, so I think it's appropriate for beginners who are a little bit scared to feed them. After the mystery garden, we passed through a shop called the Songbird, where they sell a variety of beautiful plants. It's a great place to pick up a little green companion for your home. Now let's head to the Begonia flower zone. This zone is dedicated to the park's namesake flower. As you can see, it's absolutely stunning. The begonias come in so many colors and arrangements, creating a breathtaking display. Welcome to the Flower Fiesta. This section is filled with cascading wisteria and clusters of hydrangeas. It's like walking through a dream, surrounded by these beautiful and fragrant flowers. Next up is the mirror room. This is one of the most unique spots in the park. The mirrors create an illusion of endless space and reflections, making it a fun and mesmerizing experience. Now we're entering the bird zone. This area is home to a wide variety of birds, from colorful parrots to exotic species. It's incredible to see them up close and hear their calls. Bird enthusiasts will love this part of the park. These birds are cute, no doubt, but actually my favorite is penguin. You find them at the penguin waterfowl zone, and it's a newly added area in the park. And nearby you'll be able to find all the nests and eggs of the different bird types. They also have a souvenir shop where you can find all the cute plush toys. Afternoon plan, 9Block. Our next destination is 9Block. This place is known for its creative and artistic vibes. Let's go and explore what it has to offer. But first, let's grab something to eat. We are at the charming garden near the 9Block restaurant. You can see lots of cozy resting areas with tables and chairs, and the lighting decorations here are so pretty, especially as it starts to get dark. We headed into the 9Block kitchen for dinner. I ordered a pasta dish that was a bit pricey at 2만 won, but it was absolutely delicious. After dinner, we strolled through the wild garden. The scenery and variety of flowers here made me feel like I was in the countryside of Italy. As it got darker, the lights came on. It was really a magical moment. Yes, this is 인생 네컷. You can take some photos with your friends here. Next to it is a convenience store where you can do a self-checkout.
우리 여기 어디야?
응?
우리 9Block
여기,
카페.
여기. 아까 전에 여기 매표소 있었잖아. 그 유리 그거. 그 알파카 월드 입구 이렇게 올라가는 게 있었잖아. 원래 이렇게 해가지고 이렇게 해서 이렇게 도는 거야. 표 끊으면 여기도 그냥 이렇게 갔다 오고.
So we found our way to 9Block. During our visit, there was an art exhibition by Kim Hyo titled Rest Under the Sun. Inside, you'll be able to find a cafe as well as a bakery. I guess this is a place where you can sit down and enjoy the greenery. Look at all these delicious treats. For some reason, this space feels like a mix of everything, like the past and the future. There were also shops selling clothes and shoes. And the art exhibition is actually just behind this space. Another fascinating area was the art space that felt like a time machine, showcasing all these cool vintage furniture and art pieces.
And that wraps up our day for Gapyeong. If you're looking for even more travel day trips in Korea, do check out our travel playlist here.